reset your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can reset your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop. For that, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to navigate to your Start button. So once you are on your Start button, you have to go for your gear icon or setting icon. Just click on that and you will be on this interface here. Once you are here, you have to tap on the Update and Security. Just tap on the Update and Security here. Once you are on your Windows Update and Security, you can see the option of recovery from all of these options. Just click on that. Once you have clicked on that, you can reset this PC. So if your PC is not running well, resetting it might help. So it will choose to keep your personal file or remove them. So here you have to just go for the get started option. So if you want to keep your files and remove app and settings, just go for that and you have to select this option. And after that you can set your PC. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily format your laptop or PC of your Windows 10 or 11. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.